Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most expensive unboxing I've ever done on this channel. This is the Lyngdorf MP-60 home theater processor, and you can find it online for upwards of like $15,000 or higher. I've seen the prices fluctuate, so it depends on where you buy it, but definitely check out the links down in the description. And I've been excited to get this sucker open, so we're doing a live unboxing here. Let's go, let's go. Oh, we've got some sort of instructions here. Ensure that the packaging inlays are turned correct. Membranes are facing the product. Membranes, ooh, what does that mean? What is this thing? Rack ears for rack mounting. Look at this. This is the membrane. All right. Oh, I get it. It's suspended. Wow, how cool is that? So it's like, see this? So it's like sitting on this membrane, so it's like not going anywhere when during shipping. That's amazing. Okay, so we've got owner's manual and safety instructions. There we go. I'm gonna put the membrane back, so the unit actually gets squashed in between these two things. Probably better than the styrofoam. And the rack mount kit, we are not gonna need that. This does say microphone stand split. Oh. Okay, so clamps and then microphone stand, and now, okay. So with the Lyngdorf, we're gonna be doing room perfect calibration. Some of you have heard of it, I've never experienced it, so that's why I'm excited to check this out. This is the room perfect calibration microphone. All right, looks like your standard calibrated mic. You've got a serial number on this, room perfect. We'll see what's up with that, I have no idea. But I'm down for the whole joy of checking out something new. Ooh, this is pretty sleek, and you get a couple batteries for the remote control. We've got a fairly long XLR cable here. I feel like this is probably a 25 footer. Could be longer. And then we've got an IEC 3-prong power cable, standard issue. The main event, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the MP-60. Woo! So exciting. I've never really seen one of these up close and personal. Got a lot of packing material on the front here and on the back. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is, wow, this is really nice, guys. This is so satisfying. How did I get to be this lucky? I don't know. And this strip here, woo. My Marantz AV10 over there is like jealous, totally jelly. Look, this thing is sexy. Oh my God, look at you. Let me see. Woo-wee. Wow. Ooh. Knob feel. All right, so the front panel, we've got a standby button on the bottom right. We've got a nice big volume knob, and this thing moves like butter. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could just turn this left and right all day. This thing's all metal. In the center, we have a source/menu knob. It's got notches and press in for the menu. And I'm curious to see what these displays are gonna show. There's 3 blank spaces for like extra modules. So let's do the XLRs here. We just have out 1 to out 16. So I would imagine you'll be able to configure this in a multitude of different ways. Next to that, we have a microphone input for the calibration mic. We have 4 optical audio inputs. We have an AES input, that's number 5. Coaxial audio in, looks like there's 3 of those, input 6, 7, and 8. Looks like the 4th RCA here is a zone B output. We've got a USB for audio input. Top right corner, we have the IR and trigger section. It looks like we've got 1 trigger in and we got 4 trigger outs, and we've got some IR connections there as well. There is an SD card. It is a 2 GB SD card, okay. We have RS-232, next to that LAN. Then we've got USB 5-volt DC-1A. And at the very, very bottom is HDMI in 1 through 5. 2 HDMI outputs, and of course on the far bottom right we've got the fuse master power switch with the IEC port. Okay, these are some sturdy feet with like some nice little cushy rubbers on the bottom. Wow, there's a bunch of patents on this guy. They're all here at the bottom along with the serial number. It's not that heavy. This is solid, man. I love a solid piece of gear, you know what I'm saying? Big question, I have dual 10s right now. Should I swap those out for the single 15? That is a question I want you to answer in the comments below. It just so happens to be my birthday next week, so we are doing a sale on both the Spatial Audio Calibration Toolkit and Magic Beans. The sale starts today and it will end the night of my birthday. My birthday's August 12th. So that Tuesday night at midnight is when the sale ends. We're doing 20% off on the spatial audio calibration toolkit, and Joe's doing $100 off Magic Beans. So make sure you go to the respective websites. Links are going to be down in the description and the coupon codes will be there as well. So help me celebrate my birthday by picking up the best upgrade for your home theater and change your movie nights forever. All right, everybody, we are here. It is day 2 of the processor swap. For the Marantz, I was running Dirac Live using the Magic Beans created custom target curve along with the spatial audio calibration toolkit to dial this sucker in. And this room sounded pretty damn good. Oh my gosh, oh gosh. The AV10 on the left versus the Lyngdorf on the right here. This is a substantially smaller unit than the AV10. It's not the size that matters, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that. It's the room correction and the custom target curve. Let's go. I'll say this, when I'm walking into the studio now, man, it looks really amazing in the rack. So here we are in the Lyngdorf setup menu. Aha. Okay. What do we have here? Edit configuration. Oh, look at all of this. Oh, I get it. So height speakers in this box, in this little square, we're having the height speakers, and then this one is strictly for ceiling, in-ceiling speakers. Got it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Out 3 and 4 need to go to 5 and 6, and 5 and 6 need to go to 3 and 4. Right, rear center. I like this ocean breeze thing. It's like pig noise, but it comes in like an ocean. It's like rolls in. I gotta swap 13, 14 for 15, 16. No, left wide, that changed again. So if I turn these off, yeah, okay, so I gotta swap 13, 14, 15, and 16, because once you put in the left wides, there it is. Aux 1 is a left wide, aux 2, right wide, perfect. Current speaker, height left rear. Oh no. Height right rear. Oh no. Height left surround. That should be, okay, so then the rear height, these two gotta switch. 11, 12, 15, and 16's gotta swap. I'm really excited to get this guy up and running, but there's a few other housekeeping items that need to happen. 2 new amplifiers are coming in, so I have to unbox those. I gotta shoot the unboxing and then get them in here, connect it all up. Then I'll be able to actually run Room Perfect. So I can't wait, and I'm glad you're on this journey with me here because this is something totally brand new. I've never owned any Lyngdorf products, never had them in the room here. So this is a pretty amazing situation that's happening. Big shout out to Lyngdorf for sending this over for me. There's a lot more detailed information on Lyngdorf's website. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to check it out. If there's something specific you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below. Obviously, Room Perfect is supposed to be an amazing, amazing room correction or room calibration software. So I'm going to check it out for the very first time. So ecstatic to do that. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.